What's up, traders? Welcome back to my community. It's Grey Wolf, your boy. I just want to go over a quick recap of what happened this past week with the Asia strat. So we're just gonna get into it. The first candle for Sunday opening, it was bearish. So what we do is we get into a sell here, right? Place the sell, put the stop loss at the top. All right, we're aiming for a 2-for-1 because that means you can move your stop loss. It would be 1270. All right. Right here, about halfway would be about TP1. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put a short position right here. Stop loss right here. TP down here. We're just gonna watch it, see if it plays out real quick. As you see, it did come and hit TP1. Unfortunately, the way this works, you could have taken your profits if you wanted to, but the way this strategy works is you do not move your stop until it hits TP2. If it doesn't hit TP2, then you just keep your stop where it originally is supposed to be at. And you got tapped out for $670, right? You can do another entry if you want. We're going to wait and see if it comes in. Let's see, right here, this candle. Let's see, bearish, Asia, strat, 5-minute candle. Spelled that wrong. SL hit for $675. Was it 675, right? 635. All right, 635. Waiting for re-entry. I have no idea. I'm doing a recap video real quick though. I think it went upstairs. So we're waiting for it to come back down to this line. And if it's past midnight, usually I won't get back in because I'm not gonna lie, I'm asleep at that time with my kids. All right, so not getting back in because it is past midnight. So we'll just go ahead and go. Oh, look at there. It tapped back in at 9:45. If you would have got back in, but I do believe it hit stop loss anyway. It did. Yeah, it did. So it tapped you in and then instantly went and hit stop loss if you would have got back in. We'll just move on to the next day. So day one, minus 635. Not bad. And pause. Candle here. All right. Next candle. Opening bullish. So what we'll do, get in. Stop loss at low. 380. TP would be 760. And play it out. And we got hit within the first 5 minutes. So first minus 360. Long position right here. And T2 was up here. Text. Boom. Bullish. 5-0 candle. SL hit 4380. All right. See if it comes back and taps us in again. It did. This candle. Turn it to the 1 minute. That's a tap in. So we'll buy. Stop loss at the low. We know it's 380 if it does hit. And then TP would be up here. We're off by maybe a point. All right, let's see what happens. Go back to 5 minutes. And we got tapped out again. All right. So bullish right here. Down. Stop loss. Low. TP up here. All right. Text. Bullish re-entry. Let's so hit 4, 3, 8, 3. Total loss of 760. All right. Move on to the next day. All right. As you can see, the next candle was a bullish candle as well. We hit stop loss right off the bat. So here. It's right there. What we'll do is come back here. Trade. Buy. I think the stop loss was super low for this one. Yeah, $105. So we only needed 210. Candle, candle. First candle, lost. Bullish. 5-0. SO hit for 105. Waiting for re-entry. All right. Over. If it comes back up, tap us in. Up right there, it would have. We're gonna tap this in right. No, actually, I think it wouldn't have. Let's see. Nope. Oh, there it is. There it would have though. So back up. This candle. Turn this to the 1 minute. There it was. Here. All right, right there. We're gonna tap this in. Almost. All right, right there. We're gonna tap this in. It would have hit TP2. At least I want to say it did. This is TP2. That was for 210. In replay mode, I can't just put it the entry right here, sadly. So stop loss. I do think it hits it. And then if it does hit it, all that is us moving our stop loss. Yeah, it would have hit it. we would have moved our stop loss to break even, and we would have been tapped out at break even. So, re-entry 50 TP2 hit for 210 SL hit at break even. So total loss 105. Right here. All right. Let's move on to the what is this? Wednesday? Yeah, we're moving on to Wednesday. I think Wednesday. It was either Wednesday or Thursday. We had a really, really good day where all these losses didn't mean nothing. What am I doing? There we go. And pause. 1605. 30. All right. And boom. Look at that. We had a bearish candle. Short position. Here. Stop loss is here. And I'm going to turn on this indicator that I have. Just a 10th. Entry was 762. Stop loss was 796.25. 796.25. All right. I don't remember how much. Oh, actually. Sale. Boom. Risking $715. I think that's wrong. I believe it was only $600 that night. 690 is what we're listening to. We're gonna put it a little above, that way it doesn't tap us out. All right, so I think this is the night where we had a big night, so I'm gonna move my stop all the way down here to TP10 or TP11. I want to say TP11 is where I got hit. So start playing it out. Look at that. TP1 hit almost right off the bat within the first 5, 10, 15 minutes. TP2 hit. So what does that mean? Move our stop loss to break even, +1, just to cover commissions. TP3 hit, we move our stop loss to TP1. TP4 hit, we move our stop loss to TP2. TP5 hit. TP6 hit. Look at that. Look at that. Hang on. Let me go back. Because that moved way too quick. No, I'm going to have to go all the way back. All right. All right. Dang it. So, sell. Get in. Stop loss up here. All the way down here. We're going to move a little bit below it. That way this time it doesn't mess up for us. All right. TP1 hit. TP2 hit. TP3 hit. Move to TP1. TP4 hit, move to TP2. TP5. TP6. You see, we're just trailing it by 2. TP7, 8, and 9 hit. So what you're doing is you're moving your TP all the way down to TP7 now. So right now, you're automatically guaranteed to make $4,785 if it comes back up and taps it out, right? We're going to move this a little bit lower. TP 10 and 11 hit. So you're moving your TP to TP9. You're automatically guaranteed $6,150 now if it comes back up and taps it, right? You're up $7,200. Comes up, taps you out for $6,120. All right? Pull this all the way over here. And let's pull this down. All right. So, text, boom, bearish, 5, 5-0 strat, or 5-0 candle. Stop loss was 695. TP 11 hit, moved SL to TP 9. SL hit for positive $6,120. All right. Turn off this indicator. Right here. And now Friday. Thursday night, Friday day. That one candle made us everything back that we lost. Or that one trade made back everything that we lost this week and more. Pause. All right. Dang, I paused that right on the dot. Look at that. I'm a goat. All right. Long con. Or a bullish candle. I want to say it hit stop loss like instantly. Buy. Stop loss was for $320. TP would have been $650. Or at least a move to break even so we didn't lose anything, right? So pull this down and play it, see what happens. Lost off the first candle, all right? Right here. Bullish candle. SO hit for 3, 3. $335. And we did not get back in because it did not come and tap us back in. It literally just continued to tank for the rest of the night. If y'all were watching NASDAQ that night. Came back up close to tapping us in, but never did. All right, so to end the week, let's calculate how much we lost. Pull up my calculator. We had a loss of 635. Minus, what was it, 760? Yeah, 760. Minus 105. Minus 335. So we had a, that's not right. I'm sorry, 1 second. 635 plus 5 7 760. Right. So overall, we started off down 1,835, right? And then we add the 6,120 for the week, and we ended up $4,285 to end the week. That is not a bad week at all. For total profit for the week, 42.85. I don't know about you, chat, but that is freaking amazing. $4,285 to end the week. Can't beat that. Can't beat that. This strategy is crazy. I'm telling you, it is crazy. All right. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the recap for this week, and I can't wait to see y'all next week and to see how the market does for us as well. I hope y'all all have a great night, and see y'all next week. Later.